You know what? I bet Lucy probably wants one. Have you been a victim of sexual harassment?
No,
Insert
touch your
clip.
tits.
Racial discrimination? Insert clip. Wait, you're a genius, Mobius! VIP this man! Now this is gonna get her canceled. Hi there. In our busy, ever-changing, day-to-day, synergetic corporate atmosphere, you're bound to There's a lot of words. Guys, I need a clip of Lucy saying something weird. Lucy's voice. How come you guys want to act like that with my voice? Hi there. In our busy, day-to-day corporate atmosphere, you're bound to run into a lot of different personalities. Unfortunately, issues can arise out of nowhere, such as sexual harassment.
Not the type of business I do with your mom. This time it was a solo venture.
Racial discrimination.
You're yelling.
Misogyny.
Get catching that dumb bitch!
Or workplace bullying.
You're a cock!
If you or a loved one have been personally victimized by Lucy Pyre, you may be entitled to financial compensation. If you see something, say something. This program has been brought to you by VTuber HR.
I think it's a huge misrepresentation of my brand.